A mild and misty start to the day, then clouding over with rain moving in from the west later. I'll have all the details of that and more coming up on Good Morning Britain.
Tuesday, 17th.
Good morning.
But we go through hair and makeup and then
Don't
do that.
like it
Don't
really
do that.
is.
It'd be terrible.
Yeah,
Do you know what? A bit of a windy day yet again today. Hold on to that hair, Kate.
OK.
Yes, it was windy and mild yesterday and more of the same today, but then we add in some rain as well. The mildest thing you'll notice when you step outside first thing this morning, temperatures today will be double digits for most, 10, 11 degrees. It should be around about 7 or 8 degrees, and it will turn back to around about average as we head through the week. But for today, we have this low pressure moving in. So yes, the winds are southwesterly, that's why it's mild, but it brings with it some rain. That moves through, a bit of an interlude of drier weather before we see more rain moving in for the start of the weekend. Here's how it looks at the moment. This mild air just lurking in the south, and then there's fresher conditions moving in from the north. That's when our temperatures return back to where they should be for the time of year later this week. So today, if it starts off dry, it will turn wet from the west later. The radar shows the latest rainfall through Northern Ireland and Western Scotland, and this whole band of rain moves across Northern Ireland, Scotland. It won't be until later on it moves through England and Wales. A freshening wind as that rain comes through, but from the south, and that means yet again it's mild. Look at those temperatures, like I said, double digits for all. For the weather. Good morning to you. Now, weather-wise, it is mild. I think that's the first thing you'll notice when you step outside first thing this morning. Temperatures today will be double digits for most of us. A little cooler as we head through the week as winds change direction. But it's because they come from the southwest, feeding up milder air, but it also brings rain today. Welcome back to Good Morning Britain. A mild outlook for the next few days as winds come from the southwest, but it also brings with it rain. Wet weather through western areas, driest in the east, and with a lot of cloud first thing this morning on the latest satellite, you can see it is a frost-free start to the day. But the radar already showing rain moving in through western Scotland, Northern Ireland. Welcome back to Good Morning Britain. You'll notice how mild it is when you step outside today. That's thanks to a lot of cloud around and rain that is already moving in from the west. So this is the latest satellite and radar. First off, white for most places, showing us a cloudy start for many of us, and the blue is rain out towards the west. Now, the rain making progress through Northern Ireland and West. Welcome back to Good Morning Britain. It is mild outside this morning, and it stays mild for the next few days. The difference today from the last few is we see more in the way of rain moving in from the west. We can see it on our radar at the moment through western Scotland, moving across Northern Ireland. It will move through the whole of Scotland as we head through the day today. Patchy rain across the northwest of England later. Wales and the southwest, outbreaks of rain by this afternoon. Driest for central and eastern areas of England. Some sunny spells as well. Fairly breezy, particularly where we have this wet weather in the west. And temperatures 10 to 11 degrees, so it is very mild yet again for the time of year. Mild tonight. Nighttime temperatures are above where they should be by day at this time of year. A wet start to the day across the north tomorrow. Dry start in the south. This wet weather clears away, but the mild weather continues.
It over to Westfield London Shopping Centre with the booth, which will be there until midday today. So you can pop over and listen to how the stars of the Cobbles deal with loneliness. Can't you, Laura?
So we look forward to you doing that. Now then, it's 8:47, bit more to go.